G'day folks, I'm Max Taylor and I am the editor of Caravan World magazine. I am in gorgeous Little Desert National Park. It's one of my favourite destinations in Victoria because it is just stunning. Sandy tracks, corrugated roads. It's a sort of an outback light sort of environment, but that's not why I'm here to talk to you. What I want to do is actually show you this new van. It's by On The Move Caravans and it's called the Storm. You know, we've been towing it here, there and everywhere down some sandy tracks and some real corrugations, folks, and it's really done the job nicely. I'm actually really pleased with the way this nice little numby here is towed. It's holding up to Little Desert just the way it's supposed to. Look, it's got some amazing features, all the creature comforts that you want when you're out exploring some of the remote destinations in Australia and you know, places like Little Desert. Why don't we go inside and I'll take you through some of the features. Come on guys. Beauty, it's in the eye of the beholder. We all know that, but according to my eye, this is a pretty darn attractive caravan. On The Move Caravans has over the years developed quite a well-deserved reputation for building good quality vans that do the job and fill the brief nicely. You've got the Swift 500 series 4-burner cooktop with a griller and an oven, folks, in a single axle caravan. I reckon that's pretty good. So this is what I'm talking about when I mention creature comforts. But that doesn't just end at the oven. You've got a really good sized refrigerator and freezer. You've got a microwave above that, and you've even got a full-sized ensuite. Now folks, having a full-size ensuite in a caravan when you're off the beaten track, you know as well as I do how handy they are. And I reckon the one in the Storm is put together well and it's got all the features you need. It's even got a built-in washing machine. I reckon that's pretty good. It comes with its own solar panel and regulator, so that means you can stay away from the bitumen for just that little bit longer. All up, once you've loaded in all your gear, this van tops the scales at 2250 kilos. Now, what does that mean? It means that it can probably be towed by what is ever in your garage at the moment. I'm thinking things like, you know, Prados, easy, not a problem in the world. We're towing it with a Hilux, and mate, the Hilux is doing a fantastic job. So lightweight, single axle, rough road capable caravan. So folks, you've got your tow vehicle, you've got your Prado or your Hilux, you've got your On The Move Storm. Where are you going to take it? You know what? Come up to Little Desert National Park, you check out some of the tracks and some of the roads and just some of that gorgeous scenery. You've got the Wimmera River just over there, absolutely gorgeous. I'm coming back here and I hope that you do too. But you know what? For all the specs, for more pictures and all the good stuff, make sure you check out Caravan World magazine. I'm Max Taylor, I'm the editor, and I'll see you out there.